If your face is showing wrinkles, dark spots, and you need to regain its youth and shine, you should watch this video until the end so you know how to use lemon to help your skin and improve its appearance, making it smooth and shiny. Most people tend to find expensive treatments and creams, but you just need to take care of your skin with the help of the recipes in this video, and it will quickly regain its youth and shine. Cut 1 lemon and squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into a bowl. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is also called ascorbic acid, and has the ability to restore collagen in the skin. As we get older, our skin loses collagen, leading to the appearance of wrinkles. But applying fresh lemon juice to your skin can make your skin smoother and softer. Lemon juice also contains citric acid, which has some gentle bleaching qualities. When being used over time, lemon juice can slowly reduce dark spots by breaking down the melanin pigmentation and curbing the overproduction of it. Next, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey into the bowl. Honey is a humectant which helps rebuild the moisture level in skin. Retaining moisture is important for the skin to maintain its softness, suppleness, and elasticity. Finally, prepare rice flour and add 1 teaspoon into the bowl. Rice flour helps in tightening up skin and opening pores so that skin breathes and looks youthful. Rice flour, when mixed with lemon juice and honey, makes a mask that works on dark spots effectively. Stir well to combine all ingredients into the homogeneous and smooth mixture. If you want, you can also add a little water. Apply this mask on your face and let it stay on for 15 minutes. Then, rinse it off with water. Take an egg and separate the white into the bowl. Egg whites can help tighten and firm aging skin. If you have a large pores and egg-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. And if your skin is oily, egg whites may help to clarify pores and hair follicles that make too much sebum. Next, combine the egg white with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Beat well to combine these two ingredients. Divide the mixture into 3 pass. Apply the first pass on your face and wait a moment. Then, apply the second pat. After a while, apply the third pat. When it has dried, clean your face with lukewarm water and pat dry with cotton towel. Take a small bowl and squeeze the juice of half a lemon in. Dip a cotton ball in lemon juice and gently apply it to the area where you have wrinkles and dark spots with gentle pressure, then rub. Once the lemon juice dries, rinse it off with water and dry your face. Start with one daily application, potentially working your way up to twice a day. Discontinue use if you have a side effects. That's for today. Thank you for watching the video.